We live in a visual culture, which means that people love images and use them as parameters to evaluate reality. That is why we must be careful when attaching images to our products, because if there is any error, these may not appear, which would make our store look bad and customers will not want to buy for not being able to see the product we are selling. You could try to fix this manually on WordPress, but it will be really tedious to try to find and delete all your broken images one by one, since this can take lots of hours. To help you with this, we will show you how to remove all the broken images from the media library on WordPress in just a few seconds. To do this, you will only need the media library spreadsheet plugin, with which you can simplify your media library management. You can save lots of hours because the plugin displays all your media files, and it allows you to make advanced searches and apply changes to thousands of files at once. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. Let's start by filtering all the images from your site. To do this, we'll use the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format as the field key. Choose the operator Contains. Enter the word images as the value to search for. And run the search and all your images will be filtered and displayed on the spreadsheet. After filtering all the images, you're ready to export all your images to a CSV file to edit them on Excel or Google Sheets. Let's open the Export tool. Then, select to export all the fields. Here, we can choose whether to use Excel or Google Sheets to edit the image information. Then export the file. Once you open the file on Excel or Google Sheets, go to the Local File Exists column and sort the values from A to Z to find all the files with no as the value. When you know which of your images don't have files, go to the Status column and change the values from Publish to Delete. Now, if you're working on Excel, save the changes and close the file. But if you're working on Google Sheets, download the CSV file. The next step is to import the CSV file back, using the Import tool. Here, select the source from which you will import the CSV file. Then choose the file. And click on Next. Select to import all the columns. And choose to match the ID columns from the CSV field and the WP field. Then, hit Next. Finally, click here, and the import process will start. After the files are imported, you'll see that all the broken images will be deleted from the media library. As you can see, getting rid of all broken images is really simple and fast using the media library spreadsheet plugin, since you don't need to spend hours to remove thousands of broken images. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.